Super happy. Got Premier Protein Pancakes. These things are amazing. And yeah, I'm going to have fun tonight. Probably the Frenchie in me. I love crepes. But anyhow, this is really amazing. So if we come over here, 3 grams, only 2 grams of fat, 15 grams of protein. And that's for only a quarter of a cup. So we're going to get down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake these on low heat. Got non-fat cooking spray here in a baking pan. Really good recipe. And what I got to do, these things are going bad. So I'm going to throw some blueberries on there, get some natural sugar. And I'm going to go a little spoiled. I'm going to throw in some fat-free, ready whipped cream. So this is an awesome little recipe. It does the trick. I suggest you guys check it out. Alright, in the meantime, stay in the gym, stay fit. Sweet. Alright, so getting back to the little demonstration for the Premier Protein Pancake Powder mix. You could either do pancake, waffle, crepe. I'm going to do a pancake. It's late. Just do something kind of quick here, but it works, and it's just a great idea. Quick snack, super healthy, tastes amazing. So now we're just going to take these blueberries here. Get some nice fresh blueberries. I only get them for $2 for 1 pound, 16 ounces. Good deal. They're in Queens by one of my gyms. There's great little markets they have there, farmers markets. Anyway, so I'm just going to dump these in. And that's the batter. I just used sort of like a roux. I did like a 1-to-1 mixture. 2 cups of water to 2 cups of or 2-to-1 rather, excuse me. I did 1 cup of protein mix, so 60 grams of protein, right, and only 5 grams of unsaturated fat. So we're gonna get it in. You know, we want to focus on our physique. Summer's coming. I got Coney Island right there, so we want to be on point. So I'm just trying to put you guys on, all right? So I'm gonna mix this up. Maybe add a little cinnamon to it, and or you can kind of play around like that, you know, whatever your forte is. It's just great as it is with the blueberries, but we'll jazz it up just a little bit. And I'm gonna put in some cinnamon, and just give it a little kick. Not too much, obviously. Cinnamon's very pungent. And I got the oven going at 350 degrees, and should be good for about maybe 10 minutes. It's already preheated. You know, maybe 6 to 10 minutes, somewhere in that range. So obviously you want to check on it periodically until it's to the right texture. That pancake mix, it's going to rise. So it's going to get like a nice fluff to it, almost like a shortcake. And that's kind of how you know when it's pretty much done. You don't want to go too much, obviously you'll start to burn. Yeah, so let me throw it in, and I'll get back to you, and I'll show you the finished product, and you get to watch me eat it. Alright, peace. And as promised, guys, here we are. Blueberry protein pancake with light syrup. So, not too bad. A little light on the sugar. Should have skipped on that. I'm being a little extra bad tonight, but tomorrow's cardio day. I'm going to do plyo, so it's all good. And with non-fat whipped cream. And look at that. Came out beautiful. Literally only took me 10 minutes to make. So, yeah. I'm going to scarf this down and do some software engineering. Shower, brush my teeth, and hit the sack. So this is a perfect nightcap for recovery. Today was a heavy barbell day. I'm 185. Hopefully the next 2 to 3 days I could get to 190 muscle. You know, so again, plyo tomorrow to offset any kind of fat gain. But anyhow, I'm kind of talking fitness. I want to just be a little bit more about just cooking. This case, easy, quick, fast, healthy snack. Alright, but I'll be putting some good stuff up on my YouTube and for here too, Instagram, just from full meals to healthy 10-minute snacks and anything in between. So we're all about growing and learning, right? Alright guys, so chefjamescuisine.com, YouTube channel and website, and I'll see you guys soon. Love you. In the meantime, stay eating healthy and stay well. Peace.